Fergus makes it easy to complete forms on the go with our Forms feature. It allows you to view and complete forms on Fergus Go while out and about. Before we dive in, here's a quick note. Before adding forms to jobs or phases, you need to create form templates. For more details, check out our guide on creating and managing your form templates. In this video, we'll be covering how to add forms to jobs and complete them on the go via the Fergus Go app. Let's start with how to add forms to a job phase. First, navigate to the job card where you want to attach a form. You can add a form to a job in two ways, via the Add button and tapping Form, or by scrolling down to the Forms section in the Tools menu. Let's add a form via the Add button on the job card page. From here, you'll be able to select the form template you want to add, assign any staff to the form, set a due date, enable reminders, and leave additional information where necessary. Upon saving the form, it will now display on the Forms page for you or your staff to complete. You can see at a glance who is assigned to the form, the date this form is due for submission, the form status, for example to start, in progress, and submitted, and where the form is actually located on that specific job, for example against the overall job or within a job phase, by looking at the tabs at the top of the screen. To complete a form, tap on the card. This will open the form in an edit mode. If system tags are used, job information may already be pre-populated into some of the fields. For example, if this was customer full name, it would autofill with the customer's name for this specific job. Certain system tags may require you to select a value, such as employee name, which will ask you to select one of the employees set up on your Fergus account. Continue through the form, filling out all required details. You can save the form in the bottom left of the screen if you're not ready to submit it, meaning you can come back later to finish it off. We recommend saving the form occasionally as you fill it out to make sure changes are recorded. And once you're happy with the form, you can submit it by tapping on the button in the bottom right of the screen. Once a form has been submitted, a PDF will be generated and added to the job phase's Files section. That's it! You're all set to add and complete forms in the Fergus Go app.